In just 5 seconds, you can tell whether that pineapple is sweet or sour. It sounds unbelievable, right? But actually, there's a very small detail that most people overlook. Just pay a little attention, and you'll never make the wrong choice again. Have you ever stood in front of a fruit stand looking at a row of pineapples and not knowing which one to choose? They all look the same. But when you bring them home, some are incredibly sweet, while others are sour and unappetizing. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you a super simple trick. No experience needed, no testing required, just look, and you'll know if a pineapple is good or not. Pineapple season is at its peak. The flesh is golden yellow, juicy, and the sweet and slightly tart flavor is incredibly appealing. And remember, if you want to choose a good pineapple, don't just look at the size. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Observe the pineapple's eyes. The shape and arrangement of the pineapple's eyes reflect the quality of the flesh inside. This reveals that the flesh underneath is thick and juicy. When eaten, the pineapple juice will ooze out, giving it a very rich flavor. Conversely, if the pineapple eyes are small, close together, and almost flush with the peel, the flesh is usually thin, with less edible portion and a higher chance of hitting the hard core. The taste is also milder. Method 2. Look at the pineapple leaves. Long, straight, healthy green leaves indicate that the pineapple plant has received enough sunlight and water during its growth and has a strong root system. If you look closely, you'll see that pineapples with lush, thick green leaves, like a healthy tree canopy, are juicier and tastier. Conversely, if the leaves are short, small, or drooping, it's usually due to a lack of nutrients, water, or light, or poor soil, leading to poor fruit development. Method 3. Look at the color of the pineapple peel. This is an important sign to help you determine if the pineapple is ripe and delicious. Ripe, sweet pineapples are usually yellowish-green, similar to the color of young leaves, with slightly green edges, giving them a very fresh and natural appearance. They are typically juicy, crisp, and sweet. This type of pineapple usually has a very strong aroma, so if you buy it, you should eat it within 2 days. If you prefer a slightly sour, refreshing taste, you can choose pineapples with greener skins. These are crisp, firm, and slightly tart, perfect for eating as a refreshing snack or for cooking. After about 4 to 5 days, it will turn yellow and begin to emit a fragrant aroma. If you want to ripen your pineapple further at home, this is an ideal option. However, if the pineapple peel is too dark, turning yellow-orange like withered autumn leaves, be careful. This indicates the pineapple has been left out too long, has lost moisture, and may be spoiled inside. It may also have a sour smell or strange taste. You shouldn't buy it. Method 4. Observe the shape of the fruit. Good pineapples are usually cylindrical with a uniformly round body and not too much difference in size between the top and bottom. This indicates that the fruit has developed evenly, the core is full, and it tastes better. When buying, you should avoid fruits that are misshapen or abnormally shaped. This could be a sign that they have been affected during growth, such as nutrient deficiency or environmental factors. These fruits are usually of lower quality, have a less appealing flavor, and sometimes spoil faster than normally grown fruits. Method 5. Observe the pineapple stem. When choosing, you should prioritize those with small stems, as this usually indicates a smaller, less hard core and more flesh, resulting in a tastier fruit. Conversely, fruits with thick stems often come with large, hard cores, reducing the amount of edible flesh and resulting in a milder, less appealing flavor. Fresh pineapple stems are typically bright green, soft, and elastic when gently squeezed. If the stem is yellow, withered, cracked, or has a strange smell, It's a sign the pineapple has been left out for too long, has lost water and nutrients, and may even be spoiled inside. These should be avoided. Method 6. Gently press with your hand. Ripe pineapples usually have a slight elasticity when pressed. They feel firm, but not too hard. If it's too firm and lacks elasticity, the pineapple is unripe and will be sour. If it's too soft or dense when pressed, it may be overripe and starting to spoil. Don't buy it. There are many different types of pineapples, varying in shape, flavor, and price. Knowing how to choose will help you buy a delicious pineapple without overpaying. Now, I'm going to share another incredibly simple tip: cutting pineapple without peeling, removing the eyes, or soaking in salt water. Quick, clean, and convenient. Let's get started. Before cutting, sharpen the knife. A dull knife will crush the pineapple flesh. I have a little trick. Use a bowl, turn it upside down, and gently sharpen your knife on the bottom of the bowl. The knife will be much sharper. Once the knife is sharp, let's start cutting the pineapple. Place the pineapple on a cutting board. Cut off the top and bottom. Don't throw away pineapple tops. Pineapple tops not only help regenerate new plants to harvest fruit after 1 to 2 years, but can also be used as decoration and to purify the air. Take the pineapple tops, the green leaves above the fruit. Remove the remaining pineapple flesh to avoid rotting. You can plant them in a pot of loose, well-drained soil. Water evenly and leave in a sunny place. Next, stand the pineapple upright and cut it in half. The aroma is amazing! If you look closely, you'll see very regular natural lines on the peel. Just cut along these lines. Using the tip of the knife, cut along each line to get even, beautiful slices. Then change direction and continue cutting until you've finished. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After cutting, the pineapple retains its shape. Place it on a plate and it's ready to eat. The pineapple slices are easy to separate, uniform, and compact, making them very convenient to eat. The cutting method is quick and easy, and no salt soaking is needed. It only takes about 1 minute, perfect for entertaining guests. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.